Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. Today is 24th of May. I want us to start our analysis with the chart on my screen. This is USDJPY. I'll be drawing my lines based on what we see. I'll draw an indicator. I'll place the zigzag indicator. So we'll use this indicator. We'll use this indicator, the one we have on our screen. So the first level I'm seeing on this chart is this resistance level. We have a very good resistance here. The price broke above it. Then as we're speaking now, the price is above the same zone. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you're supposed to be looking for buy positions. Expect buyers to come in strongly, especially if the price touches these two lines here. So we'll buy it within these two lines. We'll have a stop loss below this low here, expecting the price to continue upwards, at least up to this point here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, you're supposed to have a pending buy limit within these two lines. The first one, the one at the top. Just a second. We have these two lines here. Place your pending buy limit within them. Have your stop loss below the low of this candle, and then have your take profit at this is around 136.040. so have your take profit here, and then have your pending buy limit within these two lines. So the other symbol which we'll have to start with, we'll start with the US dollar Japanese yen. And just a second. So we have a very good uptrend on this chart, as you can see. Let's see, let it load first. So on this chart, on the daily chart, we have a very good uptrend. You can see that the price keeps forming higher lows. We have a lower low here, we have a high low, we have a higher low, and we expect another higher low where the price is right now. So this here will give us an ideal place to look for a buy position from. We have a very good support there. We have some short-term support there. So we want to pick a buy position. As long as the price is here, we'll be looking for a buy position. The lowest we expect the price to go up to is this level here. So if the price is to break below this point, this line here, expect it to continue bearish, at least up to these two lines here. But as it is right now, this is a very good buy. We are headed to the upper side. We are actually looking forward for a very good buy if the price can touch this dotted line, the line we have at this point here. So my next instrument I want us to look at, just a second. I'd like us to look at EURUSD. Let it load. So we have a very good, this is EURUSD. We have a very good downtrend. You can see that on the daily chart we have a very good downtrend. I'm saying this a downtrend because you can see from this point we had a swing high here. This is like a higher high. We had a lower high. for the first time this high was greater than the previous high. Then the next consecutive ones, we've had highs which are lower than the previous highs. So we had a higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and a lower high. Then on the other side we have higher low, lower low, lower low, another lower low here. We have a lower low, we have a lower low, and we have a lower low here. So as it is now, this is a very good downtrend. We don't expect price to break above this high here. We don't expect that the price should continue up and break above this point. But if that happens, then that will be the time now to look for buy position. It's like an indication that we've now cleared the downtrend and that now we are headed to the upper side. But as it is now, give me a minute, please. Let me fix my chart. So as I was saying, we have a very good downtrend on this chart. We have a very good downtrend. So we expect price to come back. We expect price to come back and touch these two lines here. If that happens, then that is going to be a very good place to look for a sell position from. So we expect that if the price comes back and touches these two lines, this will be a very good place to look for a sell from. And in case the price breaks above this level, then that will mean that the price is now extending to the upper side. And to confirm that we are indeed to the upper side, we want to see price break above this level to confirm that now we are headed to the upper side. But as it is now, this is still a very good place to look for a sell from. So my next instrument I want us to look at is the GBPUSD. We have GBPUSD. So the GBPUSD so far as it is now, we are downwards, we are bearish. We've seen a correction. We've seen some, the move we are seeing to the upper side here, just a correction on a lesser time frame. So what we want to happen now is we want to see price give us a sell signal on the weekly chart for us to start selling it on a lesser time frame. So you can see that we had a very good downtrend here. Then the price started pulling back up, but we do have a very good support there. So this is like a very good support. There's a break below it. If the price comes back and touches this area, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price pulls back and touches this line, we'll be looking for a sell position. But as it is now, this is still some pullback. We may still see price extend to the upper side, at least up to these two lines there. The other instrument is gold. The other instrument is gold. So we have a very good support here. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So this will be a good place to look for a buy from. It was actually a good place where you could have bought from. If the price can come back and touch it, then that will give us another good place to look for a buy position from. So if the price comes back and touches this line, we'll look for a buy orders. We are expecting buyers to push price upwards at least up to this point here. So we'll buy it up to this level. If the price breaks above it, then we expect it to continue even higher. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.